I didn't feel like I needed all the layers this morning, which is a nice change, but
Right.
it came with the trade-off. Those
Yes.
clouds are out there, thick already.
It is going to keep warming up, though.
Okay.
Even though we have rain, and tomorrow there will be a lot of clouds too, but we have a chance to get into the 50s.
Which is still hard to believe.
Phenomenal that we're making a big deal out of this.
Well, also,
You
that's
know?
the embarrassing part too. Like,
Right.
oh, 50. Oh, this is a big
50 in
deal.
November really isn't a big deal, but it's been over 2 weeks since we've done it, which speaks to how kind of cloudy and chilly this month has been. Radar this midday picking up on some showers to the north of Bangor. The air is pretty dry though, so my suspicion is a lot of this isn't hitting the ground, or if it is, it's just some very light rain or very light flurries right now. 42 in Bangor, so it is warm enough for any of that precipitation to be rain once you get down into the city. 41 in Augusta, 45 degrees right now in Portland. Clouds in place here, and you can see this slug of rain here. That's what comes in tonight and brings us a steadier round of rain. So through the afternoon, it's mostly cloudy. Could be a little thinning of the clouds mid to late afternoon over western Maine and New Hampshire. Temperatures generally in the 40s south, 30s up north. By 10 o'clock tonight, rain overspreading southern and central Maine, but the winds coming in out of the south. So that means all night long tonight, the temperatures will actually be slowly rising. Could be a very brief period of some freezing rain around Route 2, but it looks like even there, that cold air gets scoured out of any of the deepest valleys. Middle of the night tonight, raining across most of central and southern Maine. Not quite raining up north, but it is colder there, so you might get a little patchy freezing rain over northern Maine first thing tomorrow morning, while the rest of us are in the 40s to maybe even around 50. That first round of rain pretty much departs. Tomorrow morning will be just cloudy, a little damp. But on the mild side, especially Wiscasset south, we'll get into the 50s tomorrow morning, probably staying in the 40s to near 50 in central Maine tomorrow. But this would be one of the mildest days in a while, with the temperatures for many of us that get close to that 50-degree mark. We might struggle to get the 50s into central Maine around Lewiston, Augusta, and Waterville, and certainly up north it will be colder. But along the coastline, 50 is a pretty good bet out there tomorrow. There's one more round of showers that comes in tomorrow night. So if you do have Wednesday night plans, or if you're traveling later tomorrow night, this is with the cold front that comes through first thing Thanksgiving morning. And once it does, the wind changes direction and picks up for the day on Thanksgiving. It'll be partly sunny, a blustery day with some wind gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour, and it certainly will have a chillier feel as that cold air blows in. So the Thanksgiving Day planner looks like this, a little damp to start, but clearing out pretty quickly. Sunny and gusty midday, and then it does turn colder at the end of the day. In fact, a pretty good shot of cold air comes down for Friday and Saturday straight from Canada. Looks like on Saturday, temperatures will struggle to get out of the 30s. So real winter chill coming our way. Seas tomorrow, or today I should say, 3 to 5 feet with a southwest wind 15 to 25 knots. Mostly cloudy this afternoon, might be a little thinning of the clouds here and there. Up around 50 for most of us tomorrow. Most of the rain is overnight, but could be a few showers around during the day. We clear out on Thanksgiving. It does look breezy, and then colder air builds in for Friday and especially Saturday. There is a chance for some rain or snow Sunday afternoon, Brian, but that still, at this point, doesn't look to be a big system.
Okay.
And then next week might be a bit active.
Ooh. Okay.
But that doesn't necessarily mean snow.
I was going to say that could mean a number of things.
Could be either one, but yeah, Sunday doesn't look like a big deal. Maybe middle of next week there could be something out there.
Okay, it's good as long as it's a week out. It's when
Right.
it's the every other day that it gets a little tedious.
Exactly.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.